The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following New Jersey counties: Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester, Philadelphia County, Pennsylvania. Effective until 6:52 p.m., the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Camden County, in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County, in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County, in southern New Jersey, south central Philadelphia County, in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located over Mulligat Hill, or 11 miles southwest of Gloucester City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado.
Oh my
Impact:
God.
flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Mount Laurel, Deptford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Belmar, Woodbury, Pitman, Palmyra, Magnolia, Westville, Woodbury Heights, National Park, Brook Lawn, Audubon Park, and Barclay Kingston. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 27. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 349351. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 295W Jersey between mile markers 19 and 40. Interstate 676 Pennsylvania near mile marker 1. Interstate 676W Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a tornado has been confirmed. Take cover now. Move to a
Oh my God.
All of this is open space.